This is a story that goes back many years. The year was 2018, and two men from different worlds were looking at the same chart in front of them. One man, he was a full-time trader who had been trading for over 15 years. He knew everything there was to know about this market, and yet his account was not growing. The other man, he was an investor who had been investing in the stock market for only 1 year. He didn't know anything about the market. He didn't know about supply and demand zones, fair value gaps, volume, or Fibonacci retracements. But despite that, his account was growing month after month. So why? What was he doing differently? And how can we apply this knowledge into our own trading today? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's me, and this is a show where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down a very common issue that every single day trader struggles with, which is making impulsive trades. If you don't know what impulsive trades are, they're basically trades that we make because of our emotions. We see a big red candle, and because of our loss aversion, we instantly get scared and enter a trade and most likely lose it. Or we see a stock breaking out to the upside, and because of our greed, we just have to jump in right away even if the setup isn't right. So in this video, we are going to be discussing how to avoid impulsive trading and how to become more patient and disciplined when it comes to trading. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's start off by talking about the difference between a discretionary and an implicit trader. A discretionary trader is someone who waits for a good setup and then enters a trade once they have a high degree of confidence. On the other hand, an implicit trader, they trade based on their emotions. They'll buy a stock simply because they like the stock, or they'll sell a stock simply because they hate the stock. And as you can imagine, a discretionary trader will outperform an impulsive trader 9 out of 10 times. Now I want you to take a second and think about your own trading. Are you a discretionary trader or an impulsive trader? Most of us start out as impulsive traders, and over time we can slowly transform ourselves into discretionary traders. This takes a lot of hard work and dedication, but it's definitely possible. So now let's talk about the difference between a patient and an impatient trader. An impatient trader is always trying to chase the next big move. They want to capture every single point of price movement, and as you can imagine, they end up losing money. A patient trader, on the other hand, they wait for the right setup, and they only enter a trade when the conditions are perfect. Once again, a patient trader will outperform an impatient trader 9 out of 10 times. Again, I want you to take a second and think about your own trading. Are you a patient trader or an impatient trader? So now let's talk about the 3 main reasons why so many traders make impulsive trades. The first reason is lack of discipline. Many traders lack the discipline to follow their trading plan, and as a result, they make impulsive trades. You need to understand that trading is a mental game, and if you don't have the right mindset, you will struggle to be successful. The second reason is fear of missing out. Many traders are so afraid of missing out on a winning trade that they end up making impulsive trades. You need to understand that it's okay to miss out on a trade. In fact, it's better to miss out on a trade than to make an impulsive trade. Remember, the goal is to be a successful long-term trader. The third reason is lack of confidence. Many traders lack the confidence to wait for the perfect setup, and as a result they make impulsive trades. You need to understand that it's okay to not be 100% confident in a trade. In fact, it is better to be 70% confident in a winning trade than 100% confident in a losing trade. The goal is to put the odds of the market in your favor, and over time the math will work itself out. So now let us talk about some ways that you can improve your patience and discipline when it comes to trading. The first way is to develop a trading plan and actually follow it. Your trading plan should include your entry rules, your exit rules, your position sizing, and your risk management. Once you develop a trading plan, you need to stick to it no matter what. Remember that trading is a mental game, and if you don't have the right mindset, you will struggle to be successful. The second way is to use a journal. Keeping a trading journal will allow you to track your trades and see what is working and what is not working. This will help you to identify any patterns or trends in your trading, and it will also help you to improve your trading plan. You can use a physical journal or an app like Trade Journal or Track. The third way is to participate in a trading challenge. A trading challenge will allow you to compete against other traders, and it will push you to improve your trading. There are many different trading challenges out there, but my favorite is the FTMO challenge. I've personally participated in the FTMO challenge, and it really helped me to improve my trading. The fourth way is to find a trading mentor. A trading mentor can provide you with guidance and support as you improve your trading. They can also help you to stay motivated and disciplined when things get tough. If you're not sure where to find a trading mentor, you can join a trading community and ask around. The fifth way is to read trading books. There are many great trading books out there that can teach you about trading psychology and how to improve your trading. Some of my favorite trading books include The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas and Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. The sixth way is to watch trading videos. There are many great trading channels out there that can teach you about trading psychology and how to improve your trading. My personal favorite channel is The School of Life. They cover a wide range of topics related to trading psychology and self-improvement. And the seventh way is to practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation can help you to focus on the present moment and calm your mind. This can be especially helpful before a trade, as it will help you to clear your head and focus on the task at hand. You can practice mindfulness and meditation through apps like Headspace or Calm. Now I want you to take a second and think about your own trading. What are some areas where you can improve your patience and discipline? So now let's talk about some of the benefits of being a patient and disciplined trader. The first benefit is that you will make more money. This may seem obvious, but it's definitely true. Patient and disciplined traders make fewer mistakes and they don't chase losses. This allows them to consistently make profits over time. The second benefit is that you will lose less money. Patient and disciplined traders don't chase losses and they stick to their risk management rules. This means that when they do make a mistake, the damage is limited. The third benefit is that you will feel less stress and anxiety when trading. Patient and disciplined traders know that they are in control of their emotions. They don't let their emotions control them. This gives them a sense of calm and focus when trading. Which leads us to the fourth benefit, which is that you will be more consistent. Patient and disciplined traders have a trading plan and they follow it no matter what. This consistency allows them to generate profits month after month. Now I want you to take a second and think about your own trading. How can you be more patient and disciplined? So now let's wrap up this video. I want you to remember that you are in control of your emotions. Don't let your emotions control you. Be patient and wait for the right setup, and when you pull the trigger, be confident in your trade. If you want to learn more about trading, I recommend checking out the courses on our website. We offer a variety of courses that can teach you everything from the basics of trading to advanced trading strategies. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. We're here to help you guys out. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.